Registrator Software Solutions. What is Registrator Platform? First, let's examine the problem we are solving and the current approach that businesses and accountants take with their accounting and e-commerce solutions. Meet Bob, a small business owner. And here is Jane, Bob's accountant. In his office, Bob uses his choice of invoicing and CRM software, while Jane uses her choice of bookkeeping software at her office. Bob sends Jane his invoices, bills, bank statements and other business documents that he entered in his software, and Jane then re-enters them in her accounting system. Bob does the same with the documents Jane sends him. Immediately, you notice two different databases that need to be maintained and kept in sync. This implies so much wasted time with duplicated data entries on both sides, not to mention the useless printing just so documents could be exchanged. Also, documents go missing, they are late to arrive, and the content might be misinterpreted and incorrectly entered. Bob also has a web shop, an e-commerce solution he uses to sell his products online. This is the third database that needs to be kept in sync with the other two. There's a lot of work for Bob and Jane. Lots of printed paper, lots of emails, phone calls, visits, lots of room for error, lots of wasted time. And here is where Registrator Platform comes in to help. Registrator Platform focuses on data and electronic document sharing and reuse by placing the data stored at the accounting office at the centre of the platform, so everyone works against one database. We currently offer online accounting and e-commerce products. So how does this change the life of Bob and Jane? Well, Jane doesn't need to change anything in the way she operates today, except she will never need to re-enter Bob's data and transactions. Once Bob creates an invoice, credit, any transaction in our Registrator accounts application, these transactions are immediately registered in Jane's accounting software. Bob can also attach electronic documents to every record in the system. Bob's online shop, as well, is fully integrated with the data at Jane's office. Bob enters the products he sells online into Registrator accounts. This data gets stored in Jane's accounting system and pulled into Bob's web shop. Once a transaction happens in the web shop, someone orders a product, buys and pays for a product. These transactions get registered in Jane's accounting system for both Bob's and Jane's convenience. And this is the Registrator Platform, a solution of cloud-based storage, software as a service, data integration and sharing, but most importantly, efficiency, accuracy and time saving.